Hello and welcome to the Forex Day Trading System Forex KillJOY 6, and this is a day trading system that is indicator based, and it is a methodology designed for those who like to use indicators in a high probability scenario for a method of taking out pips on an average daily basis. Now, we focus in upon the prime times. We don't really want to be sitting there all day long. Technically, you could enter the markets and trade this a couple hours, or you can, extend your session and whenever there's an active time, you can use this system to trade. So we set the system parameters for the prime time in the Euro market opens and the prime time in the USA market opens. And so, you can do whatever you want, but you'll have the system and you'll have a methodology of approach and entry and exit, stop loss, and profit taking, the trail stop mechanism, a very special one, which is very powerful. Now, ultimately, here we're looking to establish the cash flow factor. We need to make cash flow and build and stack the cash flow. Another great thing about day trading is that it makes our trading in general better. There's so much experience with it in a day. It's almost as if you were experiencing 3 to 6 months worth of regular trading in one day. It is a great thing to do. Day trading is a great exercise to do. Plus, once you work out all the bugs meaning the bugs inside of yourself, to where you can simply and methodically do a system or a strategy over and over that makes money without getting in the way, without breaking money management, doing crazy things, trying to make money too quickly. Once you can get into the groove, the rhythm of trading in pace with the markets, there's a lot of money to be made. Okay. Recently, I've been introduced to a guy who made $100 million day trading Forex. $100 million, and that's pretty phenomenal. And he'll be going down in the books, the record books. But he was, it's his thing. He did it methodically, very methodically. When he started cutting his positions, reducing them down, and then using a smaller parameter based on to base his position sizing from, he started making progress. Now, he tweaked it a little so his position sizing would be maximized over time, so the growth starts taking on a geometric proportion. And it starts accelerating, which obviously accelerated quite a bit for him. And so, therefore, we want to, follow the ways of the successful, and we want to model ourselves after success. All right, so use that as encouragement. But bottom line, the math is the math, and the math is you use a small percentage fractional position size of your portfolio, and you don't change it. You don't start making up new percentages. You don't go by feel. You don't think, well, this is a big one, I'm going to go for it. You don't do any of that stuff. You don't increase your position sizes if it's a slow day. No, you don't get mad when you're trading. You simply do your deals. You understand each day is not going to be the same, and it's going to be different most of the time, and so you just simply do your deals and stick with the money management. The money management system, which we include in the course, should take care of it. to take care of your position sizes. Anyways, this is not software. This is not a robot, okay? Let me get this clear. It's not a platform. I get these questions all the time. No, this is a trading system. This is a home study course that teaches you how to trade, the methodology, the trading rules of entry, stop loss, and profit taking. All right, this is something that you'll own for life once you understand it, and it's something you can do for life. You're not forced to do any particular signal. You can trade whatever instrument you want. Of course, I would gather to say it's probably a little smarter sticking with the bigger, more popular Forex pairs where less funny business can go on, where you stick with the euro dollar, for example, where the pip spread is low, and you start there. Then you can start testing other Forex pairs. Anyways, so let's go look at the track record. Here is a sampling of performance. Now, this is a day trading system. It's a manual-based day trading system, so it's very tedious to keep all these various records up here. But the point is, we're going to give you a sampling of. Otherwise, this will take on several pages if we keep going on about these day-by-day records. But anyways, you'll see here in a slow month. Let's go look right here. Now, if you can look over here, this is the euro dollar, and you scroll down, and you just see the days. This is not even a full month, but okay. So it's divided up into New York sessions and the Euro sessions. I separated them out because most people trade either or. If you trade both, I think that you're a little nuts. But anyways, that's your prerogative. You do whatever you want. You can trade other times of the day too. I would just try to stay in the times of the day where there's momentum. So that's that. These are the trades that go across. All right. You see, wins and losses, and ultimately, excuse me, the wins have to be more than the losses, so you get a net profit. These are the nets. Oops. This is the net for the New York, and this is the net for the Euro. Okay, so 62 pips, 38 pips, 38 pips, 40 pips, 100 pips, 38 pips, and it just goes on as such. And then you just tabulate add all the days together, and then it's 504 pips by the end of this, what was it, 19-day period, and 417 pips here. And it's just very methodical. You'll have slow days, and then you'll have fast days, and you'll have moderate days, and then you don't care. It just you can't be in it for the thrill of victory. You can't be in it for any other reason. You just simply have to be in this to, at the end of the month, collect your pips. Okay, so annualized, and for example, that's just taking actually pretending this is a full month. There's 4 more days of record to go, so this figure will be more. So you just add it all up times 12. That's 6,000 pips off EUR, and that's under your total control. Doing what, 3 to 5, sometimes 6 or 7 trades in a day, but usually about what are you looking at there? About 3 or 4 trades in a day per session. So we're looking at an annualized of 6,000 pips. Well, 6,000 pips based on how many contracts, right? So the key is, if you can do this year after year and make 6,000 pips under your total control, meaning you're not holding overnight positions, you're in and out within 4 hours of time. Well, just imagine 6,000 pips. If you do that, and then you start, just by your increasing gains, your money management will take care of your position sizes, and then your position sizes will continue to grow on their own. And they grow on their own. They get to a certain point where it can get massive. All of a sudden you're trading 10, 20, 50 contracts, and now the profit can be in daily cash flow on average. Remember, in day trading, as you'll learn, some days will be slow and some days will be fast, but you have to do them all. If you try to force things on the slow days, you're gonna kill your account. That's one of the biggest pitfalls in day trading. You can't make it happen. You can't average $2,000 a day. You got to get rid of the notion of I'm going to make a certain figure a day. That's going to lead you to ruin. If you just keep in mind, you say, look, I'm going to do my deals, and I know my system is going to take care of the average profit, so I'm going to do my deals. I'm just going to do them right, and get out of there. And if you have that type of approach where you're looking to have an average gain per day, then you're on the right track, and then you can make a lot of money. But those who try to make a fixed amount every single day, well, that's just foolish. That's just you don't know what you're doing. You haven't day traded much, have you? How many times you have to get mad? That cycle is you get mad and then you start doing crazy things. You start jacking your position size and just taking big losses. Happens over and over and over and over with beginning day traders. Anyways, that's just the process. I'm just trying to get you to help you avoid that. So bottom line is that there's a lot of money to be made here. All right, and when you have a system that can solidly net out an average profit per month, then the rest is simply money management. The money management takes care of itself. It puts your position to the size of your account, and your position grows when your account grows, and it shrinks when your account shrinks, and that's the way it should be. Anyways, it's just all you need is a simple math, and then you just do the deals, and then it can be really great. And you just be patient, go one by one, and eventually you're going to hit the critical mass with the money management system. When you hit the critical mass, and then you start making some serious daily average cash flow, and that's pretty fun. Anyways, this is the Forex KillJOY, and you'll see why it's called KillJOY when you get the system. It's pretty cool. Anyways, it's all done for the joy of your trading account. You'll get the name when you know the system. You'll understand what the name stands for. Anyways, it's a great solid system, and I hope you get into the groove with it, and just do the deals, and look to see if you can get this average per year, and then I'll let the position sizing grow your account into a potential massive cash flow machine. All right, thanks. Bye.